In front of me is INFINIX Note 60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. First of all, you need to open Settings and scroll to click on this section called Google. Now, tap on All Services. Scroll again and choose Autofill with Google here. Now, click on Google Password Manager and tap on Add Password. If you can't see it, don't worry, that only means that you never added a password before and you need at least one to add them manually. To fix it, hit Settings. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords is on and log in into any app or any website. After you do, you will see Add Password pop-up where you need to hit Save. After you will do that, first password will appear here and you will be able to add any other one by hitting Add Password. Then input all of those informations. At the top, type in any website or hit Select App and click on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!